Finally, here it is. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with groundbreaking features. Officially, all leaks have been confirmed, and now we have all the details, specs, launch date, and even capacity. But the question remains, what will Samsung offer to make this device outshine its competitors, especially its arch-rival, the iPhone 16 Pro Max? And will it continue the royal legacy of this series, which has long reigned as the king of Android phones? Stay with us until the end, where you'll find fascinating insights and an unmatched experience. Let's start from the beginning, the story of how it all started with the Galaxy Note, how the series evolved, and the reasons Samsung decided to discontinue it and merge it with the Galaxy S25 series to create the ultra-powerful Ultra edition of this family. In 2011, Samsung launched the Galaxy Note, just 2 years after the birth of the Galaxy S25 series. The Note stood out with its 5.3-inch screen, considered gigantic at the time, and the innovative S Pen, which introduced a whole new concept called phablet. Over time, the series saw significant developments in performance, display, and the pen itself. Despite the Note 7's crisis, Samsung came back strong with the Note 8.0 and the Note 9, reaffirming its dominance in the Android phone world. However, as technology advanced, the distinctions between the Galaxy S and the Note series began to blur. For example, larger screens became available in the S series, affecting the sales of the Note lineup. In August 2020, Samsung released the last Note device, the Samsung Note 20. Shortly after, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra introduced S Pen support for the first time, albeit as a separate accessory. In 2022, Samsung launched the Galaxy S22 Ultra with a built-in pen, becoming the official successor to the Note series. With all the advancements Samsung delivered in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the big question is, what will the S25 Ultra bring? Design: Samsung seems set to retain the design language established since the S22 Ultra, with slight tweaks such as more rounded corners and a flat titanium frame. These subtle enhancements improve the user experience, especially in terms of comfort and grip. The display: Samsung's displays are always a highlight. The S25 Ultra will feature a 6.9-inch on-screen, slightly larger than its predecessor, with Dynamic AMOLED 2x resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and brightness levels reaching 3000 nits, making it perfect for all lighting conditions. Samsung will utilize its latest M14 OLED technology for better efficiency, longer lifespan, and reduced power consumption. Battery and performance: the battery will maintain a 5000 mAh capacity with 45 watts. Fast charging: while this might disappoint some, it ensures the phone remains sleek and elegant. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built on a 3nm architecture, promises significant energy efficiency improvements, enhancing battery life further. Cameras: the primary camera will remain 200 megapixels, with upgrades to the ultra-wide lens now at 50 megapixels, promising better photography. On the software side, One UI 7, based on Android 15e, will introduce new features like system optimizations, improved accessibility, and a smoother user experience. AI and competition will be fierce in 2025, especially with the increasing integration of AI in smartphones. Samsung has announced its Galaxy AI feature, while Apple is competing with Apple Intelligence. The S Pen, now equipped with AI capabilities, seems to be a weapon Samsung will leverage to gain an edge. Price and market position: the phone's expected price starts at $1,300, keeping it competitive with Apple. This rivalry will push both companies to deliver their best to us as users. Do you think Samsung will come out on top in this battle? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.